Smart homes aren't just a futuristic dream anymore, they are now the standard. By 2025, over 375 million households worldwide are expected to use smart home technology. But this isn't about bragging rights, it's about saving money and boosting security. Did you know smart home automation can reduce your energy bills by up to 30%? And homes with connected devices are 10 to 15% more secure than traditional setups. If the process seems complicated, don't worry. Today, we're breaking down the beginner-friendly 6-step guide to building your own connected home. This step-by-step process is derived from insights by the editors at AllAboutAI. Let's dive into how you can start automating your life today. Step 1. Plan your smart home setup. Before buying anything, you need to choose your ecosystem. If you prioritize privacy and already use Apple products, Apple HomeKit is ideal. If you want the widest device support and a budget-friendly option, Amazon Alexa is the winner. And if AI and voice responses are critical, Google Home is best. Once you choose, stick to it for seamless integration. Step 2. Set up reliable Wi-Fi and Smart Hub. A smart home is only as good as its network. For larger homes, use a mesh Wi-Fi system like Google Nest or TP-Link Deco to ensure coverage in every room. Place your main router centrally. Next, consider a smart hub. While many modern devices connect directly to Wi-Fi, a hub like an Amazon Echo or Apple HomePod acts as the brain. It helps low-power devices using protocols like Zigbee or Z-Wave talk to each other and translate communication. Step 3. Install and connect smart devices. Start small. In the kitchen, use smart plugs for your coffee machine so you can automate it to brew at a fixed time, like 7 a.m. In the entrance, install a smart lock or video doorbell for instant alerts and remote access. Remember to start with just one room at a time for an easier setup. Step 4. Create automations and routines. This is where your home becomes truly smart. Automation uses rules to perform actions without manual effort. For example, you can create a movie mode routine that automatically dims the lights and turns on the TV. Or set a good night routine in the bedroom to turn off lights, close motorized curtains, and lower the thermostat when you give a single voice command. We frequently see questions about complex setups, but as the senior editor for AI how-to guides at AllAboutAI.com, Aisha Imtiaz says, if it's complicated, I'll find the words to make it click. Focus on simple, practical routines first. Step 5. Secure your smart home. Smart devices can be vulnerable, but most hacks are stopped by simple steps. Here are the top 3 security measures that block 98% of attacks. Change default usernames and passwords on all smart devices, including your router. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for all your smart home apps. Create a separate guest Wi-Fi network for all your smart devices. This ensures that if one IoT device is ever compromised, it cannot access your computer or personal data. Also, make sure you regularly update device firmware. Step 6. Test, improve, and expand. Test your new routines to ensure they work properly and then gradually expand. If you're looking for the best financial return, experts recommend starting with the entrance, smart locks, doorbell, and the thermostat for immediate security and energy savings. Setting up smart home automation is a practical and rewarding journey. It doesn't require complex technical skills. You can get started right now with a basic starter kit, like a voice assistant, 2 smart bulbs, and 1 smart plug for around $69 total. Remember, smart home technology is expected to grow by $261 billion by 2029. By following these steps from the team at AllAboutAI, you are building a home that is smarter, safer, and ready for the future. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech deep dives.